If you're looking to save thousands off the price of new, this 2012 GMC Terrain SLT2 is an excellent choice. This is Brett Taylor at Taylor & Son Chevrolet. You got a nice set of 18-inch chrome wheels. Tire tread's in excellent shape. This is the SLT2. It's got about every available option that GMC would have offered for the model year. It is equipped with the 3-liter V6 engine, 19,000 miles, still under factory warranty. Has the titanium interior, driver's side power seat. You are going to have leather heated seating in this vehicle. Steering wheel radio controls with Bluetooth. You've got the cool color touch radio with backup camera integrated into the center stack. Heated seat controls, automatic climate controls. Nice SLT badging on the exterior. You can see the second row seating area. We've got this car priced thousands under book, so it's an excellent buy. Looking at the rear profile of it, it's in the Merlot jewel color. Rear quarter profile. No signs of misuse. No dents, dings. The exterior is in very nice condition. See the passenger side seating area and floor coverings. You have a sunroof. You'll have your power rear liftgate controls right up there. You can view this Terrain and all of our inventory online at tschevy.com or call us at 800-866-2138 and ask for the sales department. Thanks for looking.